Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Clickbank banner ads. If this is your first time to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home, and I do product reviews on this channel as well, just to let you make an informed buying decision. If those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos. Right now is on a daily basis, and if you're returning to the channel, I appreciate you guys so much. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into Clickbank banner ads. This can apply to any Clickbank product or an affiliate marketing product, and it's a way that you can get in front of targeted prospects that are interested in buying your Clickbank product. So what you're going to do is, first of all, figure out what Clickbank product you want to promote. And I would recommend, if you want to see like all the most popular Clickbank products right now, is just go to Marketplace and don't click on any category, just click the search button here, and you'll see the #1 product right now that's selling is Fat Belly Fix. And the #2 one is a woodworking site or product. So what you are going to do is look for websites that have a lot of traffic that are having to do with your particular niche, and see if they offer banner ads as far as you buying space there and advertising on their website or blog. So if you go to, let's just say we're going to do this woodworking Clickbank product, you want the sale to be at least like $50 to $100, because obviously you're going to be paying for these banner ads. So you would go to Google and search, like this one you would search top weight loss blogs. This one you can search top woodworking blogs, and I've done that here. This top 27 woodworking blogs. And I found this one, the first one did not have any advertising on it. I think it was the second one here that did. Let me see. What you're going to do is scroll down to the very bottom, and generally they'll have a link that says advertise. Or you could just, if they don't have advertise, you could just click on contact us and ask them if they do. But this one right here you can see has advertise. So you could find out, and I don't know how much this one is. I mean, most of them are a few $100s depending on how much traffic it gets. Obviously you're going to pay more the more traffic, but you can contact them here and find out how much it would cost to put a banner on their site. So right here, if they're getting, you can ask them how much traffic they get, how many subscribers they have, and help you to make a decision if that's a place that you want to advertise. And then the second way that you can do this is to go to a place called buysellads.com and just go to the marketplace and find your niche here. I'm not sure if they have any with woodworking here, maybe technology. Well, no, it wouldn't be technology. Visual arts and design. Let's just see if there's any woodworking. Okay, I don't think this is really relating to that, but let's just use this as an example, though. They have 240,000 subscribers, and you can get for $450. Let me show you another example, though. Let's say you're into cryptocurrency. You want to sell a Clickbank product relating to that. You can see here, this one has 38 million monthly impressions. This one you're going to pay per click. But a lot of them you can just buy an ad a banner ad for a certain amount of money every month. So just a few $100s. You would look at maybe some of these that don't have as much traffic. Okay, those are impressions too, but you just have to search through here and see what kind of websites you can find that have to do with your niche, and then you'll just simply pay for it here. And you can go to Fiverr.com and get yourself a banner designed. So you can pay as little as like $20, $15. You know, there's some really good banners in here that don't cost very much money. You can get them designed, and then of course you would link that to your Clickbank product. You can even see, like, they may already have their own banners here on the affiliate page. Let's see if they do. Actually, they do here. So you could use their banners here. And of course, you would want to put your Clickbank ID in here where it says your Clickbank ID, because this would be the code that you would give the website that you're buying the ad from right here. So these look like really good ads. So that's basically what you would do. You go through here and see what products are selling the best. If they already have a banner. If they don't, you can go to Fiverr and then search whatever that niche is. Search top blogs, see what kind of blogs you can find, and then you can also go to buysellads.com and see what kinds of websites you can advertise on there. It's just a great way to get in front of people who are already interested in your particular niche, your topic, and then just get in front of them. They'll click on your ad, and I would recommend that you take them to a lead capture page rather than just to the sales page, so you can build an email list and be able to follow up with them about your Clickbank product, or then down the road other products that are related to that same niche, and just be able to keep in touch with them on an email list. So I hope you guys found value in this Clickbank banner ads. If you did, go ahead and give me a like, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments below. And again, if you want to learn more about how to make money online and how to make money from home, make sure you click the subscribe button. Also, if you want to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, as well as some incredible bonuses, that'll be the first link in the description below this video. You can check it out if you'd like. With that being said, this is Karen Mero signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.